Today we are going to see about plastids. Plastids are double membrane bound organelles. They are responsible for preparation and storage of food. They are of three types of plastids. Chloroplast, chromoplast and leucoplast are the three types of plastids. Chloroplast are green color plastids. Chromoplasts, they are yellow, red and orange colored plastids. They give color to the flowers. Leucoplasts, they are colorless plastids. They are mostly seen in the roots.
Chloroplasts are green plastids containing green pigment called chlorophyll. Chloroplasts are oval-shaped organelles having a diameter of 2 to 10 micrometer and a thickness of 1 to 2 micrometer. Envelope. Chloroplast envelope has outer and inner membrane which is separated by membrane space, stroma. Matrix present inside to the membrane is called stroma. It contains DNA, 70S ribosomes and other molecules required for protein synthesis. Thylakoids. It consists of thylakoid membrane that encloses thylakoid lumen. Thylakoids forms a stack of disc-like structure called grana. Grana. Some of the thylakoids are arranged in the form of disc stack one above the other. These stacks are termed as grana. They are interconnected to each other by a membranous laminae called Freight channel. Functions of chloroplast. Chloroplast helps in photosynthesis, storage of starch, synthesis of fatty acid, storage of lipids, and formation of chloroplast. Photosynthesis. Photo means light and synthesis means to build. It's a process by which autotrophic organisms like green plants, algae, and chlorophyll containing bacteria utilize the energy from the sunlight to synthesize their own food. In this process, carbon dioxide combines with water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll to form carbohydrates. Photosynthesis occurs in green parts of the plants such as leaves, stems and the floral buds. Photosynthetic pigments. Pigments involved in the photosynthesis are called photosynthetic pigments. Photosynthetic pigments are of two classes, namely the primary pigments and the accessory pigments. Chlorophyll A is the primary pigment which traps the solar energy and converts it into electrical and chemical energy. Thus, it is called as reaction center. Other pigments such as chlorophyll B and carotenoids are called accessory pigments. They pass on the absorbed energy to chlorophyll A molecule. Accessory pigment is otherwise called as harvesting center. So, now the reaction center and the harvesting center together are called photosystem.